Hello everyone, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys about the unboxing of Crucial P3 500GB SSD, and I will also show you guys about the SSD speed test. I have a hard disk and also a SATA SSD, so copying files between these drives will give you an idea about its speed. So far in my experience it's actually good, but see it for yourself. Apparently, they are also giving us the mounting screw, so it will be easier for you guys for the SSD installation on your CPU. Let us see the speed, shall we? I have given the product link in the description below, so you guys can also purchase it from there. And I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.